Neanderthal women reveal amazing secrets about our ancestors' lives. Thousands of years ago, a strong and intelligent human species known as Neanderthals lived on our planet. This species has long been a focus of interest for scientists and those interested in human evolution, but recent research has revealed that Neanderthal women played a crucial role in shaping the history of this species. Through fossils and genetic analysis, scientists have begun to understand how these women lived, how they contributed to the survival of their societies, and even how they interbred with our modern human ancestors, leaving their mark in our DNA to this day. So what secrets do Neanderthal women reveal about our past? And how have these discoveries changed our view of human evolution? Neanderthal women were shorter and stronger than modern women, with thick bones and strong muscles, which helped them withstand the harsh conditions of the Ice Age. Their skulls were larger than those of modern humans, with prominent brows and broad noses to keep them cool in the cold air. Neanderthal women also had wider pelvises, which may indicate difficulty giving birth compared to modern humans. Contrary to the stereotype of Neanderthals as brutal hunters, evidence suggests that women participated in hunting alongside men, gathered plants, and cared for children. Stone tools have been found buried with female remains, indicating their contribution to food security. Scientists have also found that Neanderthal children grew more rapidly than modern humans, suggesting that mothers provided intensive care in their early years. Genetic studies have revealed that between 1% and 4% of the genes of today's Eurasians are traced back to Neanderthals, meaning our ancestors interbred with them. Neanderthal women were partners in this interbreeding, as DNA analyses have found that some genes related to immunity and fertility were passed from Neanderthals to modern humans via their mothers. Was the interbreeding peaceful or forced? Scientists are trying to discover this, but evidence suggests that relationships were sometimes mutually beneficial and productive. Although their genes remain in us, Neanderthals became extinct around 40,000 years ago. Some theories suggest the cause was competition with modern humans for resources, climate changes that affected their food sources, or a decline in fertility rates, particularly as females interbred with modern humans, which reduced the number of original Neanderthals. In Vindija Cave in Croatia, the remains of a Neanderthal woman named Shanidar were found. Analysis of her genes revealed that she lived 52,000 years ago and possessed genes associated with red hair and fair skin, suggesting adaptation to cold climates. Some of her genes are found in modern Europeans. Scientists have long believed that Neanderthals were primitive and lacked artistic flair, but the discovery of cave paintings in Spain, dating back 65,000 years, before the arrival of modern humans, suggests that Neanderthal women and children may have been involved in art making. Neanderthal women weren't just companions to prehistoric men. They were decision makers, hunters, mothers, and even artists. They contributed to the survival of the species and ultimately became part of us through our genes. These discoveries not only change our understanding of the past, but also raise new questions. Would we have been different if our ancestors hadn't mixed with Neanderthals? What can further excavations tell us about the lives of prehistoric women? Neanderthals are not completely extinct. They live on within us. Can Neanderthal women reveal more secrets? With the advancement of scientific techniques, researchers continue to discover more about the lives of Neanderthal women. The latest studies indicate that 1. Diet. Analysis of dental plaque on Neanderthal. Women revealed a diverse diet as they ate meat, plants, and even medicinal herbs, indicating advanced knowledge of the medicinal properties of plants. 2. Social care. The discovery of the remains of elderly and physically disabled individuals among Neanderthals indicates that women provided long-term care for vulnerable members of society and advanced human behavior. 3. Communication and language. The anatomy of Neanderthal skulls indicates that they possessed a vocal apparatus capable of speech, opening the door to the hypothesis that women played a key role in developing communication patterns within the group. 4. Regional differences. Studies show that Neanderthal women in Europe were physically stronger than their counterparts in the Middle East, indicating their adaptation to different environments. Challenges facing research. Despite significant progress, scientists still face challenges in studying Neanderthal women, the most important of which are the scarcity of complete female remains, the difficulty of accurately determining sex in some fossils, the decomposition of organic matter over time. Future of research. With the development of ancient DNA analysis techniques and artificial intelligence, scientists expect to discover more about the role of women in Neanderthal societies, better understand the nature of gender relations, uncover more details about daily life. Conclusion. Neanderthal women were more than just minor figures in evolutionary history. They were active and influential players who helped shape the course of human evolution. Each new discovery provides us with another piece of this fascinating puzzle, bringing us closer to understanding the truth about our distant ancestors. What's the next secret you think science will discover about Neanderthal women? Could there be even bigger surprises in store? Share your predictions with us.